Hi, my name is Josya Narukulla and I have been doing Abacus for 5 complete years. Abacus has helped me in school and on many other occasions, and that's why I love doing it. Proudly, my amazing experience has come to an end. So thanks to Rashmi and all the other BYITC staff who've helped me finish my amazing journey. Now I will do a few sums and demonstrate them.
Okay, ready, Josya? 705.4 multiplied by 5.
3527.
77 multiply 88.
6776.
25755 divided by 3.
8585.
1888 divided by 8.
236.
Good.
So that was my demonstration. Thank you for watching.